Hello, I'm Master123. Today I will be showing you a really cool trick and tutorial. So let's get started. If you're a magician and you want to learn awesome card tricks, start now by subscribing. Alright, so for this trick you're going to have the spectator take a few cards off the top and just mix them up. Whenever they feel ready, they're going to memorize the top card, the 7 of diamonds. Alright, now have the spectator take a few cards, a bunch of cards, and place it on top. Now you don't need the rest of the deck. Alright, so we have a fairly shuffled deck, I guess. Alright, so now there's too many cards here. So I'm going to get rid of some cards. I'm just going to make 2 piles, and I'm going to decide which one I'm going to get rid of. Alright, I'm going to get rid of this pile. Alright, so now I'm going to do this interesting way of getting rid of cards. So get rid of, keep, 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 get rid of, get rid of, keep, get rid of, keep, get rid of. Now there's only one card left. That card happens to be your card. This is a really cool trick. It always gets great reactions. It requires no setup. All you have to do is memorize the 31st card down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We're memorizing the 8 of clubs. Alright. So now you have the spectator take a few cards off. Reason why it's a few cards because you don't want them to cut past your key card. So you have them mix up the cards, and whenever they feel ready, they will memorize top card. So they're memorizing the 7 of spades, and you're memorizing the 8 of clubs. So now take a bunch of cards, like about half maybe. You want to cut past the 8 though, and place it on top. Now, you go through the cards, say, alright, they're pretty shuffled. You're going to find the 8, and you want to cut the cards, put the cards below the 8 on top. Alright, so now you're going to say, alright, I'm going to get rid of the cards because there's too many cards. And just make 2 piles. And the way you'll find out what pile to get rid of is whatever card. So whatever is the last card. So the last card is here. So you're going to keep this pile. You're going to get rid of this pile. You don't need it anymore. So now you're going to alright, I'm going to do this interesting way of getting rid of cards. So you're going to go down. You could always start with get rid of, even if you end with get rid of. So you go get rid of, keep, get rid of, and then you put the card on the bottom. Keep, get rid of, 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 keep, get rid of. Again, start with get rid of, keep, get rid of, keep, get rid of, keep, get rid of, keep. Get rid of, keep. Start with get rid of, keep, get rid of, keep, get rid of, get rid of. And then you're left with one card, and that's their chosen card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you think. And turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing.